Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and Mateo.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have an important topic, going to the doctor.
Yes, going to the doctor can be scary.
Don't worry, today we will make it easy.
Okay, I feel better already.
At the doctor's office, we start with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Now let's make short sentences. Hello, doctor.
Hello, doctor.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
At the doctor, numbers are important for temperature, medicine, and pain levels. Let's practice 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now teens. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And useful numbers at the doctor. 37,
37.
38.
38.
I have a fever. 38 degrees.
I have a fever. 38 degrees.
Now, pain scale. My pain is 5.
My pain is 5.
My pain is 10.
My pain is 10.
Doctors often ask about when symptoms started. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now sentences. I felt sick on Monday.
I felt sick on Monday.
The pain started on Tuesday.
The pain started on Tuesday.
I could not sleep since Wednesday.
I could not sleep since Wednesday.
Let's learn important objects at the doctor. Repeat after me. Stethoscope,
Stethoscope.
thermometer,
Thermometer.
medicine,
Medicine.
pill,
Pill.
water.
Water.
Pictures with sentences. The doctor uses a stethoscope.
The doctor uses a stethoscope.
The nurse checks my temperature with a thermometer.
The nurse checks my temperature with a thermometer.
I take medicine every day.
I take medicine every day.
Doctors often ask about food and drinks. Let's practice simple words. Water, tea, soup, fruit, vegetables, juice,
Water. Tea. Soup. Fruit. Vegetables. Juice.
Now sentences. Drink more water.
Drink more water.
Eat fruit every day.
Eat fruit every day.
No soda.
No soda.
Doctors also ask about your daily routine. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I work.
I work.
I study.
I study.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Now, let's practice common doctor questions. Can you sleep well?
Can you sleep well?
No, I cannot sleep well. Do you eat well?
Do you eat well?
Yes, I eat well. Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water.
Composas for repeat. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Mateo.
How are you today?
I'm not feeling well.
When did the pain start?
It started on Monday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, my temperature is 38.
Are you eating well?
Not really.
Are you sleeping well?
No, I cannot sleep well.
Okay. Take this medicine.
Take this medicine.
Take 1 pill in the morning.
1 pill in the morning.
And 1 pill at night.
1 pill at night.
Today we learned a lot. Repeat these words again. Hello. Doctor. Sick. Temperature. Medicine. Pill. Water. Pain. 38. Monday.
Mateo.
Thank you, Lily. You're welcome. Thank you for listening, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.